Type your negative comments here now. Let me go check your personal Facebook account. Let me see if you posted Cora when she had her baby. Let me see. Post it there. And you are telling me I did not post her when she delivered her baby. I don't need to post her. People brought it on my live stream. I congratulated her. People also said glory knows Cora has delivered. We congratulated her in my live stream. And some people were like, don't bring Cora on this live stream. This is not glory, not Cora. And I was telling people not to bring another woman down on my live stream. Where were you when this were happening? And then some women took their two left legs. I'm sorry. They took their toothpick legs. Oh, not toothpick, sorry. Anyway, they flied with a broom because they're obviously witches, right? They fly to my mama's page to insult the woman. That's me. About the video I made. Why did you go to my mom's page to insult her? Why? Is Facebook your father's name? Is Facebook your father's name? Answer me. Why did you go to my mom's Facebook to insult her? Why didn't you come here and insult me? My mom doesn't know Cora. So why go to insult the woman? I created that page for her to pray for people. If people can come on Facebook and show their nakedness and do all sorts of atrocities, if people can come on Facebook to make stupid pranks, if people can come on Facebook to do stupid things to go trending, I created that page for my mother to pray for people because people are going through a lot in this world. People are going through a lot in this world. Forget that we came to live stream or Facebook to show happiness, blah, blah, blah. A lot of things are going on behind the camera. And the little thing I could contribute to this world was to create a Facebook account for my mom to pray for people because this is what she wants. This is all she's been asking God for. And then I created a platform for her to pray with people, just her little way, because we all pray differently. And you went there to insult her. I didn't know about it. My mom did not tell me. You know, my mom is a very peaceful woman. She doesn't like trouble. Amaka told me. Amaka, my sister, told me. So I asked Amaka to screenshot the names of the people and send to me. But my mom refused to give her the phone. I said, oh yeah, I have access to your Facebook, Mom. Don't worry. I know you don't want problem. I will log into your Facebook and see those women. Before I could get there, my mom has deleted the comments. My mom doesn't like trouble. Anyway, Daughters of Lucifer, I'm telling you right now that I have access to my mom's page. Like for real, I'll be going in there to check everything, to check the activities that is going on. Okay? Before she would delete it, I would see it. And then I will screenshot you and post you on my page. Since you want to be mad, let us help you and run mad. Okay? People will insult you. Because my mom is not just my mom right now. She has so many children right now. She has so many sisters right now. She has so many friends right now on Facebook. So they will help you and insult you. Go to my mom's page one more time. Go there. Go to my mom's page one more time. And then I will deal with you. I don't mind looking for police where you are. I will track you. I will track you down where you are. Police will have you arrested so that I will teach other people lessons to stop coming to people's live stream to bully them. I have a friend, an IT friend, who knows how to track people. I'll just get your Facebook and track you. Yes. Put angry emoji. I'm going to do this. I want to show somebody example. My mom is a peacemaker. She's blessed. She immediately deleted it because she knows what I can do. Nobody can steal my joy. Nobody can steal my joy. If you want to see what I can do, try and go to my mom's page and insult her. Insult my mom. You can use fake accounts. You can use any account and insult her. But at least you are the one behind that account. When I screenshot you and post you, the insult from people, I will know if you continue. And while they are insulting you, I will block you so that you cannot defend yourself. And let me tell you something. You are laying a curse on yourself because that page is for praying for people. Go and read comments and see what people are going through. People are in their sick bed. People are going through a lot. A lot. And all you could do was to go to that woman's page. What does she know she's doing on her page? Sometimes her videos are not even, she shakes her video. And you're going there to insult her on a video I did? Come, why not challenge me? Why not challenge me? Why going to her? Come to me face to face. Face me. Face me. I'm her daughter. I made a video about Korah. And you don't tell me who I don't make video about. If people can make videos with Korah's name to gain views or whatever you say it, I have the right to make video with Korah's name. Yes, I have the right to make video with Korah Obidi's name. And I made that video for us to pray for her. I made that video for us to pray for her. Because a lot of people are criticizing people. A lot of people are praying for people's downfall. A lot of people are wishing people evil. So instead of making a live video to make mockery of her, I made a live video for us to pray for her. Whether it is real or fake. There's power in prayer. Maybe you too, you need the prayer as well. Because if you are praying for Korah, you are indirectly praying for yourself. Is it a crime? And you told me I'm spreading fake news. Come and close my Facebook now, because now your papa gets Facebook. It's Mark Zuckerberg or Mark Zuckerberg. Not, what's the name of your father? Hello? What's the name of your father? The last time I checked, he's not the owner of Facebook. So let me be. If you want to insult people, go to Nigerian bloggers. On Instagram, Linda EKG. Legit Nigeria. And so many other people out there. Go insult them before coming to me. Chineka Bogo no. Ndiala. You are going to my mom's page to insult her. Because of Korah. So I'll just wake up one morning and start spreading fake news about Korah. I'll wake up one beautiful morning and start spreading fake news about my fellow woman. Have you ever seen me on internet having social media saga with anyone? Ndiala. Geba Hozo, I have access to her page. Let me screenshot you. You will get curse on yourself for going there to insult her. No. Come to me and insult me. Stop going to Madam Favor's page. Her page is just pray with people. Just pray. Just pray. Because there's this peace of mind you get when you pray and you're going there to insult her. And the woman even have to delete the comments so that I don't see it. Go and tell Korah that I'm spreading fake news about her. Stop fighting on her behalf here. Go and tell Korah that Glory is spreading fake news about her. If you have the liver, go and tell Korah. Since you are Korah's deputy messenger, or what did they call it? Go and tell Korah that Nurse Glory opened her live stream and start spreading fake news about her. Run along. You want transportation money? Let me get some money and give to you to run. If you cannot run, let me give you broom to fly. Makano witch kibo. Yes, I'm talking too much. I will block you. Keep putting your comments. I will block you. I'll block you. Put your comments. Put your negative comments. I will block you. Yes, I talk too much. At least it's my mouth. I'm not talking with your mouth. After all, you people said my mouth is big and wide. I'm very happy. At least it will be big enough to swallow your destiny. That destiny that refused to work for you, I will swallow it and it will work for me. What is all this? Ignore them, ignore them. Go and create your own page and ignore them when they come for you. Create a page in Kegi, ignore them. Since you people come on Facebook here, you don't want to have sense. Always trolling people, trolling people. Keep trolling. Troll one. Troll one. Be trolling. Troll. You're using Quora to get views. You're using Quora to get views. My target was 20 billion views, but I've not seen it yet. What have you been doing with your what did they call it? Personal Facebook account. What do you do with it? Now let me switch to speaking Tush English. What do you do with your personal Facebook account? Like seriously, tell me, sis. What do you do with your personal Facebook account? Do you use it to encourage someone or to troll people or to bully people? Eh? Or to bring someone down? What do you do with your personal Facebook account? Talk to me right now. No, like seriously, you cannot just come to my page and talk shit. Like, duh. You think you're the only one that have American accent? I also have American and even British accent as well. You don't try me, okay? Don't try me. No. Duh. My hair looks nice like this, man. Chai, Akugo. Look at this beautiful lady. You want me to die in silence because you are trolling me every day. You want me to be crying because you are trolling. I will never cry for you, and I will never leave social media for you. Is it that you leave my live stream or you leave Facebook? I will never leave social media for you. You and I will do it. We will stay there. Me and you in social media until you repent, you give your life to Christ. Let me clean my mouth because I'm spitting on some people. Did the saliva touch you? Don't worry, I don't have any infection things in my saliva. It is covered with rose, mirror rose. Like seriously, look at this beautiful lady. Oh my gosh, she's got accent. Damn, ew. So my people, how are you all doing, man? Like seriously. Ndi apali, ndi beribe. Ochineke ga-akpụ n'ọkụ nnọọ. Mụ na-echegheri ho no. I know you are frustrated, like seriously. Everybody is frustrated, my sister. With what is going on in my country, Nigeria, thinking about it can make me go crazy. And most of this insult is coming from American. See, if I say American, guys, I'm not insulting all Americans, but let's tell ourselves the truth. Most of this insult and trolling comes from women from the Western world. Some of them are from UK. Some of them are from Trinidad. Some of them are from America. Some of them are from Solomon Island or whatever place they're watching me from. And you people have good government there. You are enjoying. We in Nigeria, a lot of things is going on. You have to think about your family, if they are safe or not, because if you go out, they will kidnap you, something like that. That one is already a frustration. And you are bringing your own frustration to add to it. And you expect me to ignore? I cannot ignore. I can't. Like, duh, I can't ignore. I have to fix you so that next time you have sense. You gotta go one, ne? It's not easy. My mom would say it's not easy. It's not easy for us, so. It's not easy. We Nigerians were going through a lot. That country frustration is enough to boil water. But we are just coming down. And you are coming to add, troll us, troll. And you are black, oh. Forget about this white women that troll on people. I know how to handle them. I just say one thing and they will be like, oh my gosh, I never meant it like that. Why are you taking it serious? Oh my God, I respect you. I follow your family. I support your family. How could you say that to me? Why did you say that to me first? Why did you say that to me? You know you don't have the heart to accept Mubasbos. Why did you say it to me? Those white women that are trolls, I know how to handle them. But you see this black, our fellow black women. Respect is reciprocal. Respect me, and I'll respect you. And we'll be friends. If you don't want us to be friends, it's okay. It's not by force. The road to heaven does not go through your household. On the last day, God will ask you, how did you live your life on earth? Not how did Nurse Glory live her life on earth. Nobody will ask you that. Oh. Run your race. Let me run my race. Thank you so much for watching. If you want to insult me in your mind. Insult me in your spirit. And it will go back to you. Back to sender. As far as I did not do anything wrong to you. As far as I did not snatch your husband. I did not snatch your husband. I did not steal your money. I did not offend you. Okay? If you insult me in your mind so that it will be going back to you. But if you bring it in this live stream, I'll block you. I'll block you. So that is just it. Thank you so much for watching. You have any question? Do you have any question before we move to the next topic? Because I've got important topics to do today. I don't need anyone to delay me. You know? I bet remember is Ndiala. Somebody is asking a question. Did you ask Cora if you could talk about her in the first place? Did you ask her directly if she is getting a divorce? You lied about your relationship with your husband. And stop bringing in people's family. No one bring up your family. Ang rich or ang poor. That's your name sounds poor because you have a poor thinking mentality. I was waiting for you to go ask Cora a question on my behalf if I should make a video about her. But you never did. And Paul, you never did. So now you are blaming it on me? And what did I lie about my husband relationship? What lie did I lie about my husband relationship? Uncle Paul, be careful, oh. This your comment now shows how jealous you are. Very jealous. Now they will say, why is she saying we are jealous? You are jealous. Hey. Seriously? Uncle Paul. Oh, Chineke nna. Is there any other question? Please, we're answering questions. So this is question time, question and answer time. Next question. Cleopatra. Vurumu. But that vurumu means like a venom. Okay. Instead of going to your sister Naija to comfort her, it's like you are celebrating her divorce. Yes, Cleopatra, venom. The same way you were celebrating her divorce, you are coming here to show that you actually care. But you don't care. You don't care about her. Go talk to this about so many bloggers. Go talk to them before you talk to me. And brush your teeth before you talk to me. Venom. Next question, please. Venoms. My question is, why are you shouting every time? Why can't you use your initiative before BP? What is BP? This is getting out of hand. My question is that it's not the same mother that gave birth to me and you. My mother was shouting in the labor room when she delivered me. So now I can shout. I can shout into your ear because your ear is for fancy. Maybe if I speak slowly, you will not understand me. So, but when I shout into that your ear, that's your big ear, you will listen to what I'm saying. Thank you so much, Jacinta Akune. What is Akune? Next one, please. Where is Majesty? Majesty is sleeping. He's been a good boy lately. He allowed me finish my interview. Which city are you? Let me visit you. I'm in Kuwait City, my sister. What's the next question, guys? You don't have to ask for a person's permission to... My brother, don't mind these people. Don't mind them. Don't mind them. This one is asking me why am I angry. Look at your name. I cannot even pronounce it. Is that signature? How can you just wake up and put signature in your name? She said, why am I angry? I'm angry at your ancestors. Your ancestors went to my mommy's page to insult her, so I'm angry at them. Will you be happy if ancestors are insulting you or your mother? Please let me be your signature. Next. Remina, you're always angry. Why? Oh, there's nothing for me to remain for you, Remina. There's no remnants. No remnants here, okay? So now move. Please, I want to open a Facebook account. How do I do that? Anana, can you check my previous videos? I have spoken so much about how to open a Facebook account. Just go on Facebook, type how to open a Facebook account by Nurse Glory. Or you go to my YouTube and check. You will see it. So it's not good for me to keep on repeating. Okay, my sister? Amy Smiley, give them peace of your heart. They act holy. I know they are not holy. Don't mind them. I'm here to make them holy by fire, by force. Next one. You mustn't respond to negative side talk. That's one thing I admire most in Korah. Thank you so much. You said Korah. You said Korah, right? There's no K in my name. My name is Glory, not Korah. Go and create your own Facebook page so that when they come on you, you can ignore them. Mutoni, I support you, sister. No one insult my mom and goes free. Love from Nairobi. Love you too from Nigeria, my sister. Don't mind them. Page where my mother, they manage, they pray for people. They can't go there, they insult them. Are you insulting the people that are sick or what? Why are you making fun of people's names instead of answering the questions? Bonnie Nickerson, are you wearing Nika right now? Like seriously? You see what they are writing for me? And you're asking me to be nice at them. Eh? So that I can go behind the camera and cry. Eh? So that I can go behind camera and cry. Please wear your knicker in peace, or short knicker, or we call it short or whatever, knicker and kobna. Wear it in peace and leave me alone. I'm this kind of person. If I don't reply the negative comment that my eye catches, I will feel depressed. And I'm not ready to leave Facebook for anybody. So because I'm not ready to leave Facebook, I will answer you in the way you will not like, so that next time you think before you write on people's live stream. Because I'm human being like you. I've got blood running in my veins just the way it runs in you.